jewelries na dapat mong iwasan sa 2026 according to Chinese Feng Shui. Good morning mga madam! Sa 2026 Year of Horse, mabilis ang galaw at mabilis din ang swerte. Pero ayon sa Feng Shui, may mga jewelry designs na sumasagasa sa fire plus movement energy ng taon. Kaya dapat mong iwasan kung gusto mong steady ang good luck at clear ang flow ng opportunity at abundance sa life mo. Number 1, sharp at pointed jewelry design. Ayon sa Feng Shui, sharp shapes create cutting chi na pumuputol ng opportunities, harmony at financial luck, lalo na sa fast fire energy ng horse year. Number 2, mixed material jewelry, gold plus plastic resin. Symbol of unstable chi. Hindi align ang impure object sa strong, straightforward fire horse energy. Number 3, broken, dented, and scratches jewelry. Sa Feng Shui, damaged items represent broken luck. Kahit hairline crack, pwede na mag-block ng positive energy flow. Number 4, hollow gold pieces. Pinapaniwala ang symbol of empty wealth. Hindi ito advisable ng year na kailangan mo ng strong grounding energy. Number 5, dark, heavy, or black stone jewelry. If not, element much. Powerful water energy ang dala ng black stone. At sa Feng Shui, water weakens fire, which can reduce momentum and clarity in a horse year. Kung gusto mo maging smooth ang flow ng success ngayong 2026, iwasan ang pieces na may blocking energy. At piliin ang jewelry na nagbibigay ng clarity, movement, at strong luck. And of course, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, ang prayers. Follow me for more gold talk with Madam Goldigger's Jewelry, seller based in Canada. And don't forget to check out our website at www.thegolddigger.ca. This is Madam Goldigger reminding you, protect your chi, protect your gold, and protect your blessings ngayong 2026. This is Madam Goldigger teaching you to wear your wealth with wisdom.